The day dawned to usher in the birthday of the most mischievous avatar of the Lord, Lord Krishna. Krishna Gita, the little elephant, the Gokulam cows, deer, peacocks, doves and rabbits, accompanied by the students, had arrived to the mandir in a procession. We have only heard about the beauty of Lord Krishna in the Pitambara, the yellow dress. But we are indeed blessed to see him in the splendid yellow robe.
गोवर्धन गिरिधारा गोविन्दा गोकुलपालक परमानन्दा गोवर्धन गिरिधारा गोविन्दा गोकुलपालक परमानन्दा गोवर्धन गिरिधारा
Two children, decked as Krishna and Balrama, went on stage.
Srivatsankita Shri Kaustubhadhara Srivatsankita Shri Kaustubhadhara Srivatsankita Shri Kaustubhadhara Bhavaka Vayahara Pahi Mukunda Bhavaka Vayahara Pahi Mukunda Govardhana Giridhara Govinda Gokulapalaka Paramananda Govardhana Giridhara.
Normally, any of us feel that though the animals do not know, it is their privilege to be in Swami's presence. However, on the smooth marble floors of the Kulwant Hall, the animals find it hard and a little tough to get a grip. It was not so before, when the hall had concrete floors, and before that when there was sand. So, Swami sends back the animals as soon as possible so that they can remain on firm footing. The Kulwant hall was brimming with people. Many devotees who were supposed to leave had decided to stay back to witness the splendor of the Krishnavatar with their dear Sai Krishna. So full was Prashanti Nilayam that the main gate carried a notice: Sai Ram, no accommodation available inside. Well, there was a dearth of accommodation in the ashram, but no dearth of accommodative people. People had settled in the corridors of the southern blocks and had spread sheets and mats wherever there was a little free sheltered space. There was also a novel program. A group of students at the institute who have been working hard to pick up to play the flute put up a recital in his divine presence. Therein lies the beauty of being a student. Any talent that one has or any skill that one acquires, one gets the wonderful opportunity to present it before the Supreme Lord Himself. After they finished their presentation, it was back to songs. As the Aarti was nearing conclusion, Swami called the students who had arrived with a cake. He cut the cake, and naturally so, for was it not his birthday? Many Krishnashtami cards had been made by the students from the institute, school, and the primary school too. Swami called them all and began to slowly and patiently go through the works of art that his children had designed. All of them were prayers addressed to Swami. As Swami was going through these cards, the Krishna and Balrama moved up on stage again and offered chocolates to Swami for giving the primary school children who had made the cards. Swami seemed to like the idea and he gave a chocolate to every child who came to him. Then he retired for the morning.